What's going on, beautiful people? It's Lando. Such your favorite motivational teacher. We are on the verge of getting 13,000 subscribers, so make sure you press that like button and subscribe button. I have some great information, well, not necessarily great, but some new information for you. It is a new company called BAD, B-A-D Investment Club. They launched a new ETF yesterday. It says the large cap fund is designed to offer exposure to companies operating in betting, alcohol, and drug industry. Pharmaceutical. BAD is pleased to announce the launch of BAD ETF in the New York Stock Exchange. The ticker is BAD. The large cap fund is designed to offer investors equally weighted exposures to the BAD market segments: betting, casino, gambling, and online gambling operations, alcohol, cannabis, alcohol beverages manufacture and distribution, and or cannabis cultivation and sales, and pharmaceutical and biotechnology product development and manufacturing. By providing investment results, closely track the performance before fees and expenses. So first thing, it is very interesting on what is going on. So you want to see the website, and I want to see the holdings inside of this. It's I wouldn't say a great idea, interesting idea. So you get to the website, and my initial first reactions. Now, people, I get emails every day from John Doe Boo Boo Coin or ETF asking me to promote their stuff on my channel, and they pay me a lot of money. The websites usually look like this. It looked very poor. If you got that much money, I need you to invest in a better quality website. But, let's just read a little bit. Who is the BAD investment company? In the era of alternative facts and to the moon narratives, we strive to introduce a fresh and fundamental sound way to invest. We embrace the need of today's investors because we are today's investors. We hear you, we see you, we are you. It is our belief we don't like typical suits, and we sure as hell don't dress like one. But we do deploy the acumen of Wall Street to identify and create unique thematics ETFs that allow retail and institutional investors to express a targeted view on the best and sometimes worst things in life. They just trying to do a play on, okay, we are the bad guys. So they do 33% alcohol, betting, and drugs. So I want to see more about the ETF. Show me what are in the holdings, because if I was just a guesser, I would guess their main holdings is going to be their company. This seemed like a rug pull where they're just going to mainly market their company. So it's 57 different holdings, but it didn't show me anything. So if we keep on going down, all right, the story, deeper drives. Okay, I'll probably show it here. What I'll tell you guys about the website looked janky. You can't even, y'all just started ETF and I can't even click y'all reports. So this is bad. You get it, bad. I'm not even gonna hold you guys up. This looked like a scam-like company. I don't know how they managed to make it onto the New York Stock Exchange. I'm really looking at the New York Stock Exchange bad right now. Get it? Bad. For me to find any information about them, I had to go to their Instagram, and I literally clicked their story, and this is how I found what is inside there. So I'm going to screenshot this. This is their holdings. I couldn't find it on their website. I couldn't find it Googling. I had to find this right here. Their top holding is Duckhorn Portfolio Inc. Who the hell is this? Like I said, this is probably their company. This is just a scam. Boston Beer. You got another beer company. You have, what is that? So they have a few different beer companies on here. They have a cannabis company, International Gaming. They have MGM Resorts, Caesar Entertainment, Pfizer. They supposed to have, oh my gosh. I'm just going to tell you guys the truth. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is a scam company. All right, right now, this is me. This is my face. I'm talking to you guys. With this company, they should be ashamed of themselves to have this on the New York Stock Exchange. It's making me wonder, how can I get a company on a New York Stock Exchange? Because the first thing you should have is a stronger number one position in your holdings. Me personally, I will probably had Pfizer as number one, because if you put Pfizer at 7%, you know they're going to go up, and it's like, okay, I have a strong company leading the pack. Number two will probably be MGM at 5% of the holding. Then I will probably put 3% a good beer company like Budweiser. Then I will put all of those janky companies, but they just started off with that company. Let's just look and see what is that Dutch holding company. So it was Duckhorn Portfolio. Okay, here we go. Let's see who runs this, because if this is their top thing, okay, yes. Okay, I've seen this company before. It's a wine company. Well, I guess it's whenever you see a duck on a wine, it's probably their company. I don't know if it's technically theirs who made this. We don't necessarily know. It's probably under a holdings name, but I don't like it. Portfolio. Let's see. Okay, they show all the different type of wines. Yeah, I wouldn't want my number one thing to be a bunch of wines that I don't drink. I don't drink any of these wines. I don't think I ever had any of these wines. So yeah, I'm good on it. So in conclusion, I give this company a D, a E. Really, it's one of the worst I have seen. The concept was unique. I wouldn't say it was good. It was a unique concept, but they executed it poorly. I didn't even show you guys the stock price. I was so disappointed. So if anybody, want to invest in it, it is $15 a share right now. So you can get in for $15, and we will probably come back to this a year from now and see if it changed or anything. I think a year from now we'll probably be at $17. So they don't have their holding set up good enough for the company to really take off. So just invest in the S&P or something like that. Well, you guys, I am Lando Success. I would say I hope you learned something today, but this was a different one. Let's get up to 13,000 subscribers. Press that like button, press the subscribe button, and I'm out.